Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I have a package I got from Dooney. I'm just thinking maybe this is upside down. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, I picked this up. This was a bag that that was a really good price, and they had it on pre-sale or pre-order, but then I didn't order it then. But when it did come in stock, they sent me an email about it, and so I picked it up then. And I got a good deal on it. The bag itself was already $99, but then I got 30% off because of Capital One shopping. So actually, I'm going to get 30% back in rewards that I can use on a gift card for somewhere else. So anyway, let's see what I picked up. So this is it. I like how they put things in boxes now. It's neat. All right, so let's figure out where to open this. All right, I think it's going to be smaller than I thought. This box is a little small. All right, so let's see. Oh, isn't she cute? I love the color already. And I used to not be a pink person, but pink has really been growing on me lately. This is a very pretty pink. And we get a dust bag. That is super cute. I love this strap. That was part of the draw for me, with this very nice strap. I did really like this color. And I already have a wallet that should match this. That's Dooney and Bourke. So we don't have any feet. This is definitely a small purse, so for me it'll be a weekend carry. But look how cute it is. And we got that on the other side. I like this a lot. It's very cute. This nice smooth leather. Does feel a little cheap to me, but that's okay. I like it. It's really cute. And that is the name of this one. It's called the Penrose Hobo. Okay. So let's take a look at the inside. I wonder if this was a return. But I'm not going to let that bother me. Alright. We got the key keeper. We got our little sticker back there. And yeah, I'm thinking this was must have been a return. But anyway, well, it was in the box. I don't know. Alrighty. So, that's a pretty nice little cavity for a small purse. So I think I'll be able to get quite a bit in here. So that is going to be super cute. Really cute. I really like it. So that is all I had to share. I think it's too cute. So did anybody else pick this up? I'd like to know. This is gonna be really easy to dress up too. All right, guys. So that is all I had to share today, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.